So today I just want to do a quick video on creative modifications. So the story on this is I wanted to put a light out back here, and I was originally going to put a spotlight, but the friend who's going to be moving in said that they'd rather have a coach light kind of thing, just a single bulb for general illumination rather than something that really brightens up the entire deck. They didn't want to be blasted out with light. So I said that's fine. I asked if they wanted a motion sensor or a dusk to dawn sensor, and they said yeah, dusk to dawn sensor would be great. So I had this light. It didn't have a dusk to dawn sensor in it, so I drilled a hole up here. There was just enough space to drill a hole for the dusk to dawn sensor and for it to fit inside this opening here. So that was easy enough. But then the next problem was this light fixture doesn't completely cover the box here. So if I put that in like that, you can see it overhangs the bottom. Now that's not a huge issue. It's a little bit of a cosmetic issue, but the big issue is I don't want bugs to start crawling up under here, because this is a excellent source for like bees to get in. They'll find that gap and then they'll work their way up and make a nest up in here, and that becomes really annoying. So what I did is I took a piece of vinyl, what do you call it, vinyl trim, and I cut a piece of it the length of the lantern here, and I used some silicone sealant to put it in place, but that's only this wide. So for the bottom part I filled with spray foam just to fill in the gap, and that should have been more than sufficient, but I also didn't want any bugs to try to eat through that spray foam, so I went and put some aluminum tape over this. So this should be super sealed. No bugs are ever going to get into this, hopefully. And nice and neat, and we're going to put this up, and that'll finish up this job. So I'm not going to make you watch me putting this up, but I'll show you a quick shot after it's up. So actually I discovered I had to get even further creative, because I thought this bracket would clear, but it was just shy of clearing. So I ended up having to take this bracket and cut a little notch out of it and twist the photocell slightly off kilter for clearance, and that'll fit up there nicely now. So let me go reinstall this, and I'll put all this back together. I'll be back. Alright, so there we go. It's mounted, and it now sits flush up against the siding block. And there's no way for bugs to get in from underneath. So it looks good, and another job done. Thanks for watching, everyone.